Phantom braking is a real concern for Honda owners. Imagine cruising down the highway, then suddenly your car brakes for no reason. This is often caused by Honda's Collision Mitigation Braking System, or CMBS, which can mistake shadows or pavement changes for obstacles. This can be dangerous, especially with cars behind you. Federal regulators are investigating, and many drivers now hesitate to use adaptive cruise control. What was meant to make driving safer has become a source of anxiety for many. So is your Honda at risk? The main focus is on 2017, 2022 CR-Vs and 2018, 2022 Accords according to the NHTSA investigation. But complaints have also come from owners of Civics, Pilots, Passports, Odysseys, and the Insight. Basically, any recent Honda with Honda sensing. Not every car will have the problem, but the sheer number of reports suggests it's widespread. The issue seems tied to the Honda sensing technology itself, not just one model. If you own a newer Honda, stay alert, even if your model isn't officially under investigation yet. The list of affected vehicles could grow as more data comes in. It's a situation every Honda owner should keep an eye on. People keep asking, when's the recall? But right now there isn't one. The NHTSA is investigating, gathering data from Honda to see how serious the problem is. This process can take months. If they find a safety defect, a recall could happen, or Honda could act first. For now, stay tuned for updates. Real driver stories reveal just how unsettling phantom braking can be. When you hear from people who've experienced it firsthand, the impact is real and personal. One CR-V owner described their car slamming on the brakes at 70 miles per hour on a clear highway. No warning, nothing in the road. The shock and confusion are hard to overstate. Others say it happens more at dawn or dusk, or near reflective signs and metal overpasses. Certain lighting or shiny surfaces seem to confuse the system. The unpredictability terrifies people most. Every drive becomes a test of nerves, especially on busy highways or with family in the car. Many owners lose trust in Honda sensing and stop using adaptive cruise control. What was meant to make driving safer now feels like a risk. A safety feature is now making drivers feel less safe, turning confidence into daily anxiety and doubt. If you take your Honda to the dealership after a phantom braking event, here's what to expect. With no recall or official fix, dealers follow Honda's technical service bulletin. They'll check for error codes, inspect the radar and camera, and recalibrate the sensors if needed. Often, no codes are found and everything looks normal. Recalibration helps some, but for many, the problem returns. Dealers can only document your complaint and send data to Honda. There's no permanent fix yet. They can't replace parts or update software to solve the root cause. For now, you might hear, we couldn't replicate the problem, which is frustrating, but common. With no official fix, owners have come up with their own workarounds. The most common advice, keep the radar and camera sensors spotless, clean them regularly. You can also adjust the forward collision warning sensitivity in your car's settings, setting it to short, to reduce false alarms. Some drivers disable CMBS entirely each time they drive, but this removes a key safety feature. These are temporary solutions, not real fixes. Some have even tried covering part of the radar sensor, but that's risky and not recommended. Ultimately, these are just ways to manage the risk until Honda provides a real solution. Use them with caution and know they don't eliminate the problem. If you experience phantom braking, stay calm and keep control of your vehicle. Gently press the accelerator to override the system and maintain your speed. Always keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Don't ignore the incident. Document what happened and schedule a service appointment with your Honda dealer. The more details you provide, the easier it is for technicians to help. File a complaint with NHTSA at nhtsa.gov. Your report helps increase awareness and pressure for a fix. Stay informed by checking for updates from NHTSA, Honda, and owner forums. Stay safe. Your actions and voice matter in getting this issue solved for everyone.